Hey guys, welcome back to my video. This is Priyam Thakuria, and in today's video, I'm gonna talk to you about something, some of my experiences and all of that stuff. Alright, and I'll tell you to take risks in life. Alright, let's get started. So, what exactly what exactly was the starting point, of starting point of thinking about this video was that, recently one of my friend, he came up and asked me, how, Priyam, hey, how do you manage stuff so well? And, you do YouTube, you do your engineering, and you do this and that and that and that. I was like, that's okay. Then I realized that this is a misconception that maybe a lot of you might have. I'll just tell you, I am a very, very messed up person in my personal life. Alright. Very messed up. Total crap. Alright. So if you're worried and stressed about anything, that something's not happening out there, you're trying to do something, it's not going very well, just, relax and feel great, because you're in a much better off position than me, at least. And I know you're thinking that, being better off than me is not what you are looking for, but yeah, something to look forward to. You're at least better off than me. Alright, what I wanted to tell you is, do not think too much. Take risks and chances and everything that just comes up to your mind and you want to do it, just go ahead and do it. Alright, once I tell you an experience. I was taking a flight to Delhi. and it's a 2.5 hour around journey, and it's really boring if you do not have if you're not traveling with friends or someone whom you connect with. It gets really boring. I'm a kind of person who has a little bit less difficulty talking to strangers. I have difficulty, but then not a little bit less than average difficulty. Alright, whatever. So what happened this time, a very, very pretty lady, she was sitting right next to me, and I was just like, I need to start up a conversation. What happened is that, I kept thinking that, man, no, how am I gonna do it? And I just thought to myself, what's the worst? Let's think about the worst. Alright, what's the worst that can happen? She might not respond and she might ignore me and go ahead with whatever she was doing. Right? So I took a chance. I was like, if this is the worst, I'm up for the worst. I don't care. Alright, and then I started up a conversation and it went great. I had a great 2.5 hour conversation with that person, and eventually became friends. So that is nice. One more thing that a lot of you, if you're thinking to start up YouTube or anything as such, hey, what's stopping you? When I started YouTube, it's not long back, but whatever, when I started up, I was thinking that what will people say, and whatever I'm talking about, mental health and all of that stuff, it's a stigmatic topic, and I was thinking, how will people respond to this? Right, but then I just took the chance, and things are happening however you're seeing it. This one thing that might come up to your mind, that log kya kahenge, what will people say, how will people react to me starting YouTube and all of that stuff. If you're thinking about all of that, just why to think about all of that and try and give yourself answers about what will people say. Alright, people will be like this, people will say this, people will say that. Just go ahead and see what people say. Go ahead, make your first video, put it up on YouTube, and just see what people say. Right? That way, don't just overthink about stuff. Go ahead, do it. Alright, this is the time most of my audience is, maybe college going students, maybe class 11, 12th, or maybe a little older than that, just starting up with their jobs and everything. Right, so this is the time where I guess we need to take the maximum risks in our life, try as many things as you can. One thing that a lot of my seniors from my school and coaching and all of that stuff told me while I was going to college, go ahead, try as many things as you can in college. Go ahead and get into as many clubs as you can. Try and explore everything that you can see around you. All right. And that is one tip that not only about college, I want to give you in your personal life as well, in this age of our life, that anything that comes up to your mind, just go ahead, do it. Two things can happen. You might see it as you can fail. All right. Yeah, you can fail. But let's look at it in this way. Like, you'll get experience. Right? If you're looking for jobs and stuff, if you know what goes on there, a lot of companies, if you're not sitting for on-campus placements and everything, a lot of companies look for experience. If you have experience about, suppose you're applying for a software engineer post, and suppose you have experience on machine learning, on app development, you have worked on several projects, you have worked for other company, you have built some real life applicable projects, then that counts a lot. That is exactly in your personal life, it's the same thing. Just for the fact in your personal life, you are the recruiter and you are also the employee. You are looking for experience. And if you have experience, if you have tried something, didn't work out, all right, you gain experience. You have experience, so you can better deal with the next situation. Let me give you the same example. All right, I was about to talk to that person on my flight, and then suppose the conversation didn't work out, and I got ignored. But then what will happen? I would just know how that person reacted, and I would be better prepared for the next time I try and hit up a conversation, right? If I start YouTube, alright, the first video doesn't work out, people don't like it, people are like, ew, what are you posting? And then I'd be like, alright, tell me what was exactly wrong in it, and then I'd try and fix things here and there. Right? So you get experience and you get to know what you ought to do next. In this lockdown, I'm gonna tell you, if you have anything, this is the time. You have ample amount of time in your hands. Go ahead and try as many things as you want. Maybe I'm telling you there are trivial things that we don't try and do. Like, suppose you wanna paint. All right, just go ahead, paint. I have experience, I have my cousins, I have my friends who tell me that they want to paint, and they're like, I don't know how will the painting turn up, I don't know, I'll mess up. And go ahead, mess up. What's wrong in it? Mess up the first painting. You know how colors work. You know if you apply blue above yellow, it turns out to be a greenish shade or whatever. You know that. Once you do it, how much green it will become, how much yellow it stays, how much blue you can put into. You know all of that stuff, right? If you're gonna write, if you're gonna start writing, if you start blogging, start vlogging, go ahead, do it. Once you do the thing, you get to know, all right, this is something I wrote about, this is the way it turned out to be, and maybe my writing needs a little bit of more fact. All right, maybe you have facts, my writing needs a little bit of emotions, maybe my writing needs a little bit of structure, right? If you're vlogging, maybe I should hold my camera here and not here. Maybe you'll be like, I should shoot on a sunny day and on a rainy day. You learn things, right? So go ahead, try as many things as you can. This is the time for you to, work hard, gain as many skills as you can. Not necessary. You can take your time. But if you have time, I think we need to make the best out of it. And that is also helpful for our mental health, mental stability, right? If we laze around and what happens is that thoughts and past experiences, pondering about unnecessary things, overthinking about everything that's not gonna happen to you, or maybe might happen to you, but very little chances. We just, while we're overthinking, most of the time it happens is that we are thinking about XYZ things that are very less likely to happen in our personal lives, right? So go ahead and try as many things as you can. Do not overthink about stuff, and be happy. I guess that's it. If you do like my video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're new to this channel, also go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to receive notifications. That's it for today. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, stay happy and healthy. Bye-bye.